Hi everybody, hope you all are doing great and welcome to a new video. आज है 27th of October, it's Monday and अभी बज रहे हैं it's 10:20 AM. So आज मैं सुबह में काफ़ी जल्दी उठ गया because I slept early last night and since I've come back home for Diwali and the other festivals तो मेरा जो sleep cycle and sleep schedule है बहुत sorted हो गया है. And I'm sleeping much before 12. Usually, also I sleep at around 12, but nowadays I'm falling off to sleep at 11 p.m. Sometimes even at 10:30 p.m. So usually I'm falling asleep around 11:30 p.m. which is good. तो मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ रहा हूँ automatically. I'm getting up at around 6:30, 7:30 a.m. So I got up early today, and I was feeling a bit hungry. इसलिए मैंने 2 meals किए अभी तक. The first meal was high protein chocolate oats along with 1 scoop of whey, some milk and a little bit of dry fruits like 2 or 3 pieces of almonds. इसको mix करके along with 1 banana मैंने ये खाया and उसके about half an hour के बाद I had like about 50 grams of poha and 1 cup of tea. So इसके पीछे का reason यही है that I like home cooked food and I just felt like having पोहा so I had it. अभी ये 2 meals करके भी काफ़ी टाइम हो गया almost 40-45 minutes हो गया है. So I'll be going to the gym now and आज मैं ट्रेन करने वाला हूँ chest and shoulders. So काफ़ी दिनों के बाद मैं एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ. इनफैक्ट जो प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने बनाया था was in July, I think in July end actually. And उसके बाद I did not shoot for a couple of months, that is August and September. इसके पीछे काफ़ी सारे reasons हैं. एक तो ये है कि बीच में काम भी थोड़ा सा बढ़ गया था. Then I also wanted to focus more on my workouts, so I was not recording, because recording में I only record and shoot my own videos and I edit my own videos also. So जो previous footage भी था I was not being able to edit it because of work. And so I thought that I'll just focus on my workouts in the gym. तो मैं shoot भी नहीं कर रहा था and बीच में training भी थोड़ा सा off track हो गया था because my diet went off track. I fell ill. मेरा जो knee था fully recover नहीं हो गया था. So all those things and but it's fine. I mean all these ups and downs keep happening and so now we are back and I decided कि मैं आज से वापस से ब्लॉगिंग करना शुरू करूँगा एंड मेरे वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करना शुरू करूँगा बिकॉज उससे एक अकाउंटेबिलिटी रहता है एंड फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन आई एम गोइंग इनटू अ डेफिसिट. उसके बारे में भी मैं आपको बताऊँगा कि हाउ माई डाइट इज़ एंड हाउ मेनी कैलोरीज आई एम कंज्यूमिंग. So in around June I got injured and I was supposed to go on a deficit from July, but since मैं injured था I did not want to take a risk, so I did go on a deficit but I did not carry it forward क्योंकि I was not able to carry it forward because I felt that for the recovery of my knee it's better that I eat at maintenance or a slight surplus. तो वो था. देन आई थॉट कि श्रावण स्टार्ट होगा एंड आई विल बी ऑन अ वेज डाइट सो मे बी फ्रॉम देयर आई कैन स्टार्ट a deficit, but I failed at that also and I kept eating at maintenance calories. So जून से लेके सितंबर तक my weight was pretty much the same, in fact till October, and that is at around 67-68 kgs. And October I came back home, so once I got back here I started to go on a slight deficit of 200 calories, so around 2200 consume कर रहा था. Now it's almost October and we are almost into November, so I am consuming around 2000 calories now. And हाँ मैंने ये calories after 3 to 4 weeks reduce किए by 200. So yeah, I thought that during the veg diet phase, which is during Shravan and the Ganpati festival and everything, मुझे लगा मैं कैलोरीज ड्रॉप कर पाऊँगा, बट वो नहीं हुआ. बहुत स्वीट्स भी खा लिए गणपति में भी, अभी दिवाली में भी, बट इट्स फाइन. आई फील दैट ऑल दीज इवेंट्स आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ एंड यू हैव टू एंजॉय इट. सो अभी से आई एम कंज्यूमिंग 2000 कैलोरीज एंड फ्रॉम ईयर ऑन वी विल बी रिड्यूसिंग द कैलोरीज, बट अगर मुझे इतने कैलोरीज रिड्यूस करके मुझे रिजल्ट मिल रहा है देन आई स्टिक टू दीज अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरीज, बिकॉज मेरे मतलब आई डोंट हैव अ टाइम रिस्ट्रिक्शन कि मुझे इतने टाइम में ही कट करना है. इसके अलावा ट्रेनिंग जो है आई एम फॉलोइंग द सेम 4 डे स्प्लिट, बट थोड़ा सा चेंज मैंने किया है. अभी 4 डे स्प्लिट के बाद 1 डे, दैट इज द 5th डे, I am going to be doing plyometrics, mobility and functional training. So इसके बारे में मैं 5th डे पे ही बात करूँगा when I'm going to the gym to do this training. But ये decision मैंने लिया क्योंकि after the knee injury I felt that I need to do these workouts because I like to play sports as well. So for my explosiveness, then for my overall flexibility, mobility, range of motion, लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ, इंड्योरेंस, ये सारे चीज़ों के लिए आई डिसाइडेड कि ये वर्कआउट्स बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड दस ऑन द 5th डे वील बी डूइंग दीज वर्कआउट्स. इसके अलावा ट्रेनिंग जो है इट वाज कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट. थोड़े अप्स एंड डाउन्स थे, बट वी वर क्वाइट रेगुलरली हिटिंग द जिम, बिकॉज ऑफ विच माई मेटाबॉलिज्म is also in place, because even though I was consuming a lot of calories sometimes, whether it was healthy or unhealthy, मैं ज़्यादा fat and ज़्यादा weight put on नहीं किया हो. And from here on we are on a deficit, and ये deficit phase जो है which is like a long period का cut, ये होने वाला है for almost 6 to 8 months, basically till 2026 June, that is till next year June. I will be on a deficit. I will be reducing my calories धीरे धीरे करके by 100 calories per month maybe, and or maybe by 50 to 100 calories every few weeks I'll be reducing. And इसका reason यही है that I want to reduce my overall body fat, and I want to see how I look at a really low fat percentage, that is at around, I don't know, 6-7% till wherever I can basically push myself. And उसके बाद थोड़ा सा रेनी सीजन में मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि इन द रेनी सीजन इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू गो आउट एंड डू जॉगिंग और एनी काइंड ऑफ कार्डियो. सो during those 3 months I'll be not taking a break, but I'll be going easier on my workouts and on my step goals, and it will be like a rest, kind of active rest period. Those 3 months will be जब मैं थोड़े से कैलोरीज सरप्लस में खाऊंगा, एक कैलोरिक सरप्लस में खाकर थोड़ा सा मतलब मसल बिल्ड करने की कोशिश करूँगा. Otherwise year on I want to maintain that lean physique itself. So that's how the plan is, that's what the plan is. And yeah, I think we are going quite well with this plan. And इसके अलावा जो August and September, even in fact July में I was not able to do too much running, jogging. I was avoiding any kind of sports. Jogging करने की कोशिश की थी तो नी में थोड़ा सा पेन था. Walking was an option, but because of the rains and everything I could not go out for my evening walks, and मुझे treadmill पर चलना उतना पसंद नहीं है. So I think somewhere even I was lazy to put in that effort to get my step goals done. But it's fine. I felt as if it was like a rest and recovery time for me. But अभी I'm 90% recovered. Knee जो है it's 90% recovered, because the remaining 10% will recover after a few months. So for 100% recovery of my knee, it will take another 3 to 4 months. And इस recovery process को speed up करने के लिए ही मैंने ये plyometrics and mobility and functional training एक दिन रखा है अपने training split में, training program में. And yeah, plus I feel that every injury takes its own time to recover. But I have started playing football. I don't have any issues in the knee when I'm running, jogging, sprinting. So all these are good signs. It's just that I want 100% recovery in a manner where I can twist and turn my knee in any way. So with time वो होगा. Anyways, अभी मैं निकलूँगा जिम के लिए, and I'll be recording my push workout, that is just chest and shoulders. So मिलते हैं जिम में.